we left off the over controlling cycle. For today, we go to the insulting sequence patterns or the counteracting patterns. So first up, we have wood insulting metal or liver counteracting the lungs. In this condition, we can see cough, asthma, feeling of distension of the chest, and hypochondrium. Next pattern is metal insulting fire, or the lung counteracting the heart. So here we have palpitations, insomnia, and breathlessness. Next pattern is fire insulting water, or the heart counteracting the kidneys. Here we have malar flush, dry mouth at night, insomnia, dizziness, lower backache, and night sweating. Fourth pattern is water insulting earth, or the kidney counteracting the spleen. This will present with loose stools, edema, tiredness, and weakness of the limbs. And lastly, we have the earth insulting wood, or the spleen counteracting the liver. This will present with jaundice, hypochondriac pain, and distension. Now we go to the cosmological sequence. This sequence differs from the other four sequences in that this is a square configuration with Earth as the central pivot point. The other four sequences, the generating, the controlling, the over-controlling, and the insulting cycles or sequences, assume a pentagram design or the star, like the sign, may 5 points na star. So this sequence emphasizes three important concepts. First, that the Earth is a neutral center in the flow of chi and in the cyclical transition of elements. Second, that fire and water represents opposite poles along a vertical axis. And the third, at the center of is the Earth, which represents man, the neutral center of the axis.